Today we are going to be demonstrating the cordless central monitoring unit by Smart Caregiver Corporation, as well as all of the components that work directly to this central monitor. Here we have the cordless chair sensor pad, the cordless bed sensor pad, the wireless motion sensor, which detects when somebody has walked past it, the window and door exit alarm that goes off when the window or door has been opened, the nurse call button, which residents can press when they need assistance, as well as tools for the caregivers. Here we have the remote reset button that can be used to reset the system from a distance. Also, we have the caregiver pager that comes with the caregiver pager case, which lets you know exactly what's going on at the central monitoring unit. To begin programming, please make sure you either have 4 C batteries in the battery compartment or an AC adapter plugged into the right-hand side of your monitor. Now, we are going to place the system in the unlocked position on the right-hand side. Now, we will press and hold the record add button for 2 dings and a melody. To program the chair pad, apply pressure to the center of the pad, release the pressure,
Number 1.
and wait for the central monitoring unit to accept this programming. This can take a few seconds. We will now wait for the closing tone. To program the motion sensor, simply turn it on,
Number 2.
turn it off, and wait for the closing tone. For the window and door exit alarm, simply separate it,
Number 3.
put it back together, and wait for the closing tone. For the nurse call button, simply press,
Number 4.
and again wait for that closing tone. For the bed sensor pad, apply pressure to the center of the pad, release the pressure,
Number 1.
and wait for the closing tone. Again, this can take up to a few seconds. At that closing tone, we will program the caregiver reset button. You simply press, and you only get 1 beep, which means it has concluded its programming. Now that we have programmed these items in, we will place the central monitoring unit into the locked position, press the reset button on the front, and test out one of our components. So now we'll apply pressure to the sensor pad, release the pressure,
Number 1.
and you'll note that both the pager and the central monitoring unit are going off.
Number 1.
To reset, you can press the reset button, or you can press the reset button on the front of the central monitoring unit. The pager itself does not require any programming and will pick the signal up directly from your central monitoring unit. If you have any questions regarding this system, please feel free to contact Smart Caregiver Corporation by clicking the link below.